Are you captivated by the magic of filmmaking, eager to dive into this dynamic field? Or perhaps you're already immersed in the craft, but yearning to elevate your skills to the next level. Today, we're going to explore some of the most comprehensive and highly regarded filmmaking courses that could be the launchpad for your career or the stepping stone to your next blockbuster. First on our list is the Film Production course by the New York Film Academy. Renowned for its hands-on approach to teaching, this course will have you rolling camera from day one. You'll get to grips with the art of storytelling, learn the ins and outs of pre- and post-production, and master the technical elements of filmmaking, all under the guidance of industry professionals. The best part? Graduates often find opportunities in film production companies, broadcasting stations, and even on independent film sets. Next up, we have the Master of Fine Arts in Filmmaking from the Tisch School of the Arts at New York University. This course dives deep into the creative and practical aspects of filmmaking. From scriptwriting to directing, cinematography to editing, you'll be honing your skills in all areas. With alumni like Martin Scorsese and Spike Lee, this course is a promising pathway to a successful career in the film industry. Moving on to our third course, the Bachelor of Arts in Cinema from the University of Southern California's School of Cinematic Arts. As one of the oldest and most renowned film schools in America, USC offers a comprehensive curriculum that covers everything from the history of cinema to the latest digital technology. Graduates often find themselves working in Hollywood, independent filmmaking, and even academia. Our fourth course is the MasterClass series by MasterClass. This platform offers a variety of courses taught by legendary filmmakers such as Ron Howard, Martin Scorsese, and Jodie Foster. With the flexibility to learn at your own pace, these courses cover everything from directing to screenwriting, acting to cinematography.
Check a link in the description to acquire a book that professionally guides you through the art of cinematography and filmmaking. Up you game now, link in description below.
Upgrading your skills has never been so convenient. Finally, we have the Diploma in Filmmaking from the London Film School. This 2-year course is designed for those who want a fast track into the industry. It's intensive, it's practical, and it covers all aspects of filmmaking. Graduates often find themselves working in feature film production, commercials, music videos, or even starting their own production companies. In summary, whether you're a budding filmmaker looking for a comprehensive start or an established filmmaker seeking to upgrade your skills, there's a course out there for you. The Film Production course by the New York Film Academy offers a hands-on learning experience. The Master of Fine Arts in Filmmaking from the Tisch School of the Arts at NYU provides an in-depth exploration of creative and practical filmmaking. The Bachelor of Arts in Cinema from USC's School of Cinematic Arts offers a broad curriculum. The MasterClass series by MasterClass provides flexible learning from legendary filmmakers. Lastly, the Diploma in Filmmaking from the London Film School offers an intensive, fast track into the industry. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Choose the course that resonates with you and embark on your filmmaking journey. The world is waiting to see your stories unfold on the silver screen.